Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, January 7th, 2024. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about residual income and what it is in multi-level marketing, or MLM, or network marketing, whatever you want to call it, okay? A lot of people ask me what residual income is, so I thought I'd just do a quick video to go over it and explain it for those of you who might not know what it is, all right, and how it works in the network marketing world. So I'm going to share my screen here. And I put together this little slide, and I'm just going to go through this really quick. It won't be a long video. So what is residual income? Residual income in the context of MLM refers to the ongoing passive income that distributors or participants earn as a result of the sales and recruiting efforts of their downline organization. MLM is a business model where participants earn income not only from their own product sales, but also from the sales made by the people they recruit into the business, as well as from the sales made by those recruited by their recruits, and so on, forming a hierarchical structure. So here's how residual income works in MLM. All right, you have personal sales. MLM participants earn commissions from their own product sales. This is the direct result of their personal efforts in selling the company's products or services. You have downline sales. Participants can also earn a percentage of the sales made by the distributors they recruit into the MLM business. This is known as override commissions or downline commissions. The more people a participant recruits and the more successful those recruits are in selling products, the more residual income the original participant can earn. Then we have the hierarchical structure. MLM organizations typically have multiple levels or tiers. That's where you get the name multi-level. Each level represents a group of distributors, and as participants build a team, they can earn commissions from multiple levels of their downline. And then we have passive income. So residual income in MLM is considered passive because it continues to flow even if the participant is not actively selling products or recruiting new members. Once a team is established, the participant can continue to earn commissions based on the ongoing sales activities of their downline. All right, so basically, if you're working in an MLM company or with a company, you have an MLM business, and you're going out there and promoting, you get people to sign up using your affiliate link. When they sign up, you're going to earn a commission. Now, when those people go, all right, you're going to teach them how to go out and recruit other people. And when they recruit people, not only are you going to earn commissions from them, from your direct referrals, you're going to earn a percent from the people that they recruit. And it just goes on for, however the company's set up. So different companies are set up differently. But I have a company that I work with where we pay you 200% commissions your first month on all your direct referrals. That is followed by 25% commissions for each month thereafter that direct referral stays a member. Okay. So that's where the residual part comes in. You go out and recruit a person one time, and once they're part of your team, then you're going to earn on the life of that customer or direct referral. Okay. So I hope I'm explaining that clearly. And then with our company, we also have a 25% check match on whatever your direct referral brings in. So that's where if you have a direct referral and they go out and recruit people, not only are you going to earn the 25% commission each month from your direct, but you're going to earn a 25% check match from whatever they bring in. Okay. So say, for example, you go out, you have a direct referral and they go out and make $1,000 in income in 1 month. Well, you're going to get the 25% normally that they're going to pay, or that you receive. And then you're going to get a 25% check match on that $1,000 for a total of $250 additional dollars every month. Okay. So that's how residual income works. And it's super powerful because you're leveraging not only your own efforts, but those that are on your team, all of your direct referrals. So it just becomes, over time, it might take a while, especially if you're new at network marketing, but over time, you can literally build an empire. And there are people that do that. There are people in this industry that make over $1 million a month because their teams are so big. Okay. Again, it's what you put into it. You have to put in the effort and take it serious and treat it like a real business. But if you do that, you can build a fortune with this. All right. And I got to put in my income earnings disclaimer because I can't guarantee you're going to make any money in network marketing. But like I said, it's all based on your work ethic. And if you show up every day, treat it like a real business and put in the effort, then the sky is the limit. Okay. So there's one more slide I want to share with you. Let me go back here. This is an important note. It's important to note that MLM business models have been subject to controversy and criticism, with concerns raised about their similarity to pyramid schemes and the potential for participants to focus more on recruitment than actual product sales. Individuals considering involvement in MLM should carefully research the company and its compensation plan to make informed decisions. Additionally, MLM success often requires significant time, effort, and skill in building and managing a sales team. Now, with that being said, the company that I'm with got backup. All right. You don't have to worry about it being a pyramid scheme or anything like that. We launched Got Backup in April of 2023. So it's not even a year old yet. But the parent company, GVO, has been in business since 1997 and it's been paying out since that time. The owner has earned over $300 million in the online network marketing space. Okay. So this is a legit company. We have our own data center in Schertz, Texas. It's a 10,000 square foot facility. It's debt free. You don't have to worry about rug pulls. You don't have to worry about it being a pyramid scheme. It's 100% legit. And the product is something that everybody needs because I'm sure you have a cell phone and I'm sure you know people who have cell phones. So if you know anybody that has a cell phone, or if you have a cell phone, then you need our product because what it is it's cloud storage. And for $9.97 a month, you get 6 terabytes of data storage. All right. That can be shared with up to 5 other people for a total of 6 separate accounts and used on an unlimited amount of devices. All right. And on top of that, there's all kinds of value in the back office. You're going to get you can make PowerPoint presentations. That's where I made the one that you just saw. You can do Word documents. You can do spreadsheets. There's a whiteboard back there. There's a photo editor. It's a full collaboration tool, so you can share projects with other people. They don't have to be a member of Got Backup. You get all that for $9.97 a month. On top of that, if you want to become a reseller and share the opportunity with others and create residual income, you can pay a one-time $20 reseller fee, and that gives you a complete marketing tool suite, which includes a lead capture system. All right. Now, those of you who know are familiar with network marketing, you know that just Aweber or GetResponse is going to cost you $15 to $20 minimum a month. Okay. Here you get all that for $9.97 a month with a one-time $20 reseller fee. And on top of that, you get capture pages to share. You get all the marketing tools you need. Okay. Ad copy, photos, banners, everything that you need. We have trainings several nights a week. Our team Black Diamond, we have our own power hour that we do every Sunday where our personal team meets up for an hour on Sunday evenings to talk about what's working, what's not working. Joel, the owner, has a Wednesday night webinar that he does where he goes over, Got Backup. He gives you a tour of the back office and answers any questions that those interested might have. And it's just a really great company. I joined this the first week that it launched. I've gotten a paycheck every single Friday since I've been involved with this company. And I've been, I show up every day and I share it. But all you have to do, if you can copy and paste, I tell people, then you can make this work. All right. It's not rocket science. It's a product that everybody needs. You don't have to be, you can be proud to share this with people because they actually need it. So you don't have to, it's not like going out there and trying to sell weight loss pills or, physical products that most people aren't interested in. Okay. This is something that everybody, no matter what they do for a living or where they live in the world, they need this product because, you think about it, we pay what, $50 or $60 for a phone case to protect the outside, but we rarely think about protecting what is on the inside of our phones. And that's actually how I got involved with Got Backup. My wife had her phone She makes reels. She does a lot of content creation on Facebook and Instagram. And one morning she went to turn on her phone and it didn't turn on. So we did everything we could to try to get it back on. We took it to Verizon. They couldn't get it back on. They said the battery malfunctioned, unfortunately, and she lost all of her videos and photos that were on her cell phone. So literally a week or two after that, somebody shared Got Back Up with me. I saw the vision with the I saw the vision that the company had, and I jumped right on board. And I've been with them ever since. I'm not doing any other marketing companies. This is my home for network marketing, and I'll be here with them as long as they're here, or as long as I'm here. So if you want to learn more about Got Backup and how you can build a residual income in 2024, there's a link down below this video. You can go to joinruss.com. I'll put that up here on the screen. But there's also a link down below this video. I don't know what platform you might be watching this on, but there'll be a video below the video somewhere, either in the video description or in the comments section. You can just go to joinruss.com, watch the short little video on the on that web page, and then you can decide if this is something that you want to partake in or not. So if you have any questions about any of this, leave them down below in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find value in any of my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.